Have you ever found yourself in a situation where you needed to deposit a check quickly, but the nearest Tangerine branch was miles away? Perhaps you were traveling or simply couldn't make it to a physical location. Well, today, we're going to answer that burning question: does Tangerine Bank accept mobile deposits? Mobile banking has revolutionized the way we manage our finances. From transferring funds to paying bills, it's all just a few taps away. But when it comes to depositing checks, the question often arises, can I do it from my phone? Understanding mobile deposits. What is mobile deposit? A convenient feature that allows you to deposit checks directly from your smartphone or tablet using your bank's mobile app. How does it work? Simply take a photo of the front and back of your check using your device's camera. The app then processes the image and credits your account with the amount of the check. Does Tangerine Bank offer mobile deposits? The answer, yes, Tangerine Bank does offer mobile deposit services through their mobile app. Benefits of mobile deposit. Convenience, deposit checks anytime, anywhere, without having to visit a branch. Speed, funds are often available within a few business days. Security, Tangerine employs advanced security measures to protect your financial information. Step-by-step guide to mobile deposit on Tangerine. Download the Tangerine app. Ensure you have the latest version of the app installed on your device. Log in, enter your Tangerine login credentials to access your account. Locate the mobile deposit feature. Look for the mobile deposit icon or option within the app's main menu. Take photos of the check. Follow the on-screen instructions to capture clear images of the front and back of your check. Review and submit. Verify the check information and submit your deposit. Tips for successful mobile deposits. Check quality. Ensure that the images of your check are clear and well lit. Avoid glare or shadows. Endorsement. Properly endorse the back of your check with your signature and for mobile deposit only. Account information. Double-check that the account number associated with the check matches your Tangerine account. Security measures. Be cautious of phishing scams. Never share your login credentials or personal information with anyone over the phone or online. Common questions about mobile deposits. Are there any fees associated with mobile deposits? No, Tangerine generally doesn't charge fees for mobile deposits. How long does it take for funds to be available after a mobile deposit? Typically, funds are available within a few business days. Can I deposit checks that are larger than a certain amount? Tangerine may have limits on the size of checks you can deposit through mobile. Check their specific guidelines. What should I do if I encounter an error during the mobile deposit process? Contact Tangerine's customer support for assistance. Mobile deposits have made banking more convenient than ever. Tangerine Bank offers this valuable feature to its customers, allowing them to deposit checks quickly and easily. By following the simple steps outlined in this guide, you can take advantage of mobile deposit and save time and effort. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.